Hello again, my friends. As I promised you in the previous videos, I would immediately upload my video about the legends. In my previous video, I show you how you can have a plot with multiple lines on it. So in this plot, I had my own experimental results given by circle markers, and I have two models, and I wanted to compare these models with my own data. Was as you see, there's actually a very good agreement. I hope that also happens for your results. So for the first time, I also have the legends. And as you see, it's just a simple case. I have my legends that are actually given by the label. So for each line of my plots, I have a label which appears on the legend. So as I promised you, I will show you how you can change these legends in different ways. And that's why I'm going to show you today. Okay, let's start. So the first thing that it's important about the legend is its location, where it's gonna appear. Well, if you don't mention anything, the Matplotlib automatically puts it in the best place. In the best place it can find on your plot. So you can say location, it's actually best. Okay, this is what is it right now? Okay, it means that just find the best place for me, and it's actually interesting. You can do this. But you can do nine other options. Upper left, okay, boom, upper right. You can still go upper right, lower left, yes. And also you can go for like lower center. It gives you here, or you just simply say center, okay. So you have nine options starting from here, upper left, to here, like say uh, center left, and like to here, lower right, or in the middle center. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But in a more professional way, you can do better. You can actually give it exact number. For example, in this case, you have to consider that it scales your x-axis from 0 to 1 and also the y-axis from 0 to 1. So no matter if it's a logarithmic or it's a normal plot, you have to know that what you can put here, it's actually from only 0 to 1. So I have it from here to here. Let's make it like this. So I always use this myself because it gives me infinite options uh, to manipulate and control my legends. Okay, that's it. Very good. So you see that you also can change the size of it. So font size equals to, let's say, I don't know, 10. I hope it's not too big. Okay. Maybe we can go higher so you can change its size, font size. Yeah. So why not I put it back and I just trust the Python and he gives me the best option. Okay, very nice. What else you can do? Well, you see that you have a box here, but I hate this box. I never keep it to be here. So first you can change its border path, let's say 10. I just want to show you what does it do. Well, it's too much. 4. You see, it's just increased the distance from the border to your main labels. So you have this option, but what I'm usually, or I have to say, always do is to have the frame on options and put it equals to false. What happens? The frame is gone. And believe me, like in 90% of the scientific or technical plots, you really don't see a box around your legends. It doesn't look beautiful, so I always remove it. So you can either have a frame on as false or as true if you want to keep it. Okay. Another thing that you can do is how to scale these, especially the markers, to the real data. Sometimes for some reasons you want it to be bigger or smaller than your own plot. So you use the marker scale. Okay, so if you want to be bigger, it has to be larger than 1. So you see it's getting larger, or if you want it to be smaller, it has to be lower than 1. You see it's a small point. So if it's 1, it would be the same, but I don't keep it, or maybe if you just want to have it. So I just, another very important things, well, maybe first I'll show you this encall. This encall is really a marvelous in Python, in Matplotlib. In any other program, if you want to do this, you would have too many problems. It just tells you how many columns you want to have for your plot. So I just type 3 right now, and it's showing me in this wonderful way. So it's not always as a column. Actually, for this case, I like it to be this way. But you see here, I have the marker for my legends to overlap with the main data. So maybe I just make it smaller and the problem would be solved. Yes, very nice. Okay. And also you can manage the length of the markers you have. So you can here also add the handle length. And I just give it 3 to see, well, much larger, you see? So 1, it would be smaller. Yeah, it actually, it gives you the options to do everything you want to do with your plot. So I make it the column to just 1 because I want to show you another important and interesting feature, which is title. What is title? Sometimes you have each plot, for example, consider for a different velocity, and you have like 10 different lines, and like it's the gas velocities and it's changing. So you just put the numbers, the values of the velocities, but you just don't type the gas velocity every time. So you add just a title like here, and you'll like say, okay, models. I don't know your data, doesn't matter here. And it gives a title to your legends, which is really, really helpful. It was really working for me a lot of times. And you can also change the title, the size of the title with just title, font size, and let's say 10 if it's not too large. Okay, better. Let's make it 16. You may ask why I love the number 6. Yeah, here it is. And just make also these guys bigger. Okay, very good. Very good, actually. So I think I have told you everything that you would need about the legends. It's quite straightforward to use, and it's really nice and helpful. I can tell you that I found that I didn't find any other program and software the options that you would have here in Matplotlib, and that's why I love it. So you can easily do whatever you want to do with the data that you have, and it looks so beautiful and professional. It worked for me, and I love it. So I hope you like this video. I'm still playing with the values and everything, so to just make it the way I want, that's good. I prefer to keep it this way. So I hope you get good results from your work, from your simulations, from your experiments, and I hope that my videos could have helped you. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel and like my videos and leave comments if you have questions, and let me know what you need so I can tell you in future. Have a good day. Bye bye.